That's a nice fix right there, Nathan.
Beautiful lock set.
Chloe, the teacher, sent the report card home, and you'll be happy to know she gave you an A+ for effort.
Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Beautiful lock set, a lot of fun to work on, but you can see it was very intricate.
Yeah.
You know, it took some time, and we had to go to the right place to get the right parts to fix it.
Right, and so it's good that you were there to help and save that old lock. It's also good that most of us aren't going to have to deal with that because modern day locks are a lot easier to work with.
True, these mortise lock sets, you'll still see them in high-end residential and a lot in commercial, but not as much in the average household.
Right.
You're going to find a lot of these newer cylindrical style sets.
And cylindrical says a lot about it. They're cylindrical because that's how we actually put them in.
There's a round hole board behind that, but actually let me open it up and show you what we're working with.
It's really just a few screws that hold the whole operation together.
4 screws, and you can swap it out in a matter of minutes. All right, so we've got 2 there, so this can come right off the front. Now we're just going to take out this bolt. So what we're looking at is actually a 2 1/8 inch bored hole right through the front of the door.
And you can see why it gets its name, right? So a cylindrical hole right there, and then on the edge of the door right there.
1 inch hole bored from the side.
Right, and so 2 1/8, this bore hole right here, same one that's actually behind this thumb latch right here.
Exactly.
And it's the same one that would be used for a knob setup that should be more typical to see on an interior door.
Makes it really easy, universal. You can swap things out in a matter of minutes.
Right, and so this one would pop into there if you wanted.
Yep.
This one could pop into there. This is really all at this point now just trim.
It is, it is.
So easy to install.
Easy to install, and since I do quite a few of them, I actually picked up this jig here. Helps drill repetitively straight holes, and it's really cheap.
So something like this, you're going to actually set it onto your door. You're going to line it up right there.
So this is set up for, the back set is 2 3/4 off the edge of the door to the center of the hole.
Yeah.
Sometimes you might want to do a 2 3/8 back set. You snap that over, 2 3/8.
That's where this aligns from the face of the door here. So how
Exactly.
far back in or out.
And another good thing to look for when you're buying your lock set is once you open it up, a lot of them come with a template, and that takes a ton of the guesswork out.
So literally with the instructions, you cut this off the bottom of the instructions, gives you the dotted line right there, which means that you would actually place it right there and fold it. And then you're either going to drill here or you're going to drill here.
There's your back set, and then it's also going to help you center it on the slab, on the inside of the slab.
So you're going to make a little mark, you're going to get your hole saw out, you're going to go in there, and you're going to end up with that and this, and then you just got to put a little mortise in for the plate.
That's it. It's a lot easier than these old lock sets. These were not very universal. You know, the width, the depth, everything was changing about these. So to try and retrofit, you might have to go seek a specialist if you want to do it.
If I got one of those, I'm calling you.
All right.
I got one of these, I'm probably doing it myself.
Sounds good.
All right, good information. But there was another thing here, comments about attitude.
Yeah, I got to work on that.
Well, I'm just saying. You could do better, son.
I really could.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.